So let us walk through on how to integrate all the essential tools directly inside GoHighLevel without having any coding language, without having this, or without having to pay uh, extra to get those integrations inside your CRM. Here we are in the sub account of Sawan Kumar, and I go to settings and I go to integrations here. You'll be surprised with how easy it is. And if you haven't yet got your access of 30 days free trial, find the link in the resources section or ask me about it, and I'll hit you up with the link along with a complete training program on how to build your agency or setting up of your agency with the access to the premium community and live weekly coaching calls. Okay, so let's continue with integrations. I click on integrations, and here you see all the possible integrations in connecting your Google Calculations, Google account, connecting your Facebook and Instagram account, connecting your QuickBooks account for the accounting needs, connecting your Wave account, the Clio account, the Stripe account, connecting your Shopify, your LinkedIn, your TikTok, your Slack, your Printful account, your WooCommerce account, your shipping integration, and much more. So these are some of the default integrations. Then you can do the field mapping from Facebook forms. You can do the field mapping of TikTok forms and the LinkedIn form field mapping so that whenever you run ads on Facebook or on LinkedIn or on TikTok, these fields are mapped with your CRM. You also have options for private integrations. You can create a new integration and bring in by default in integrations via the APIs, and you do not have to pay any extra cent. Mm. You also have options to integrate your email services, your phone numbers, your WhatsApps, your calendars, again over here. So you can do all of these integrations without having to know any code, without having to have any coding language knowledge. And if you do not find some of the integrations, you can go to private integrations and integrate those using the APIs that they provide without having to pay any extra cent or without having to share any part of your revenue.